Red hot kebab is firing up the grill. Tender charcoal kebabs, so juicy they melt in your mouth. Warm vibes, rich flavors, every bite feels like home. And here's the best part.
So, how do you create such UGC ads that actually convert? Without hiring any influencer, without spending thousands of dollars, and without even any camera or shooting, all can be done in the Vmake Agent that I am going to show you today. This kind of videos cost less than $1 to make, yet they are drawing hundreds and thousands of views online. You do not need any kind of training. You do not need to actually learn anything. It's so easy to do. It will create the script for you. It will generate the model, and all is done under the same umbrella of vmake.ai. So let's get started and let me show you the full workflow. First, check out the pre-made templates.
Copper and this rich romantic red. 3 shades.
Using these templates make the process much simpler. Simply replace the demo product with your own and it will be done in a click or two. Let's first start with this template. So once you click it, a prompt pops up here in the prompt window. All you need to do is upload a product photo. So I'm just uploading a picture of this product. I clicked, and I can also write my own prompt for the video. For example, make a UGC video of a young Asian girl promoting the product in the picture. So that's all you need in the prompt. There is no technical, no specific instruction needed, and the generation has started. On the left column, you will see the progress, like it is now analyzing the picture and also thinking what type of promotional video I am trying to generate here. Now this is the crucial part. Before delivering the final video, Vmake Agent wants your opinion about something. There are 3 questions. The first one is there any key message or script for the video? So you can include your company's slogan, any specific feature, or maybe any sale discount that is going on you want to be included in the video. The second request is the duration of the video and the aspect ratio, that is where you are going to use this promotional video. Lastly, the Vmake Agent wants to know about the digital host, if you have any preference for the appearance and the voice tone. So let me answer this one by one. Firstly, now in the prompt, I did not mention the product name or the type of product I have, but it has understood the project and suggested some taglines like, "This is my go-to read for date night." It's such a perfect line for marketing, so I will use that. Now this is not the final script, it will be further enhanced. Let me add another line. The texture is so creamy, it glides on in one swipe. So that's it, that's the idea. For the duration, I think 10 seconds is fine. I will also define the aspect ratio. And finally, for the digital host, early 20s, East Asian, natural makeup, soft rose tone lips, clear skin, date night look, wearing red gown. So I have specified the type of digital model I want in my video. Let's see what happens. This is the final step. Basically, there is nothing to do, just to confirm. The script has been enhanced and given the final touch. If you want to change anything, you can do it here, or you can simply confirm by saying yes, confirm, or looks good, or anything like that. Guys, the video is ready, so let's play it.
So this is my absolute date night secret. It's called Rose Lips, and this red just makes me feel confident instantly. The texture is so creamy, it just glides on in one swipe. No patchiness, no fuss, just smooth, bold color. Honestly,
So we have created this beautiful ultra-realistic UGC video without paying influencers or any agencies, without any need of camera, lighting, editing. It's such a groundbreaking idea. Because of its very low cost and no waiting time, you can upload such ads each and every day to your social handle. So this is going to change the advertising industry, especially for small businesses. It's safe, inexpensive, and fast. I've generated few more. Let's check it out.
It's so creamy, it glides on in one swipe. Feels effortless, looks stunning.
Feels effortless, looks stunning. Click the link to get a free sample.
Now, not just with digital host, you can create cool transformation animation videos like this balloon pop. After selecting the template, I can simply replace this bag photo with my own product, which is also a bag, and click generate. Let's wait for the generation to complete. So it's ready just like that. And it's awesome. So instead of posting boring still photos of your products, create something beautiful, get more organic reach, and boost your e-commerce revenue instantly. In the next example, I want to try this hands-on model showcase, and instead of this headset, I have my own shoes brand. So let's upload a simple picture and see what happens. Vmake platform is powered by the industry-leading AI video generation models, so expect to get the best results. So this is the picture of the shoe I have uploaded. Let me show you the result I got.
Meet Run. Lightweight running shoes with superior grip. The breathable mesh and stylish design deliver all-day comfort for every mile. Run further in style.
Once again, excellent professional work by the Vmake Agent. Now I want to regenerate with the model running on a track. So this is the result.
Meet Run, lightweight running shoes with superior grip. The breathable mesh and stylish design deliver all-day comfort for every mile. Run further in style.
Now let's say you are a local store or e-commerce brand, and I select this storefront promo video template, upload a storefront photo or a product visual, and let the template handle the structure. Vmake creates a clean, professional store promotional video designed to drive traffic and sales. No acting, no filming, no editing skill required.
Red hot kebab is firing up the grill. Tender charcoal kebabs, so juicy they melt in your mouth. Warm vibes, rich flavors, every bite feels like home. And here's the best part, 20% off Monday to Thursday.
So not only just the digital host is live, even the fan in the store is moving, and this is how turn a simple storefront photo into a live video that drive foot traffic. Simply download and share. Not only promotional videos, but you can create promotional photos perfect for printing, for hoardings, for leaflets. And thanks to Nano Banana Pro, which is by far the best image generation model for this kind of advertisements, the results are stunning and eye-catchy. This kind of miniature photos are also trending on social media, so go viral without hiring any influencer, without wasting money and time. Reach out to millions of potential customers. Now, without an attractive YouTube thumbnail, your videos might get ignored. Vmake Agent also lets you create viral YouTube thumbnails. You upload a reference picture of your product, or maybe a photo of you or your storefront image, and Vmake will understand the product and will generate the thumbnail for you. There are lots of templates to choose from, so choose the style, upload the picture. Let me give you a demo. These are the trending ones. You have separate thumbnail templates for YouTube as well as for Reels. So I choose this template and upload a picture of my product. 4 thumbnails are ready with background removed, text in bold letters, and with taglines. Thanks to Nano Banana Pro, creating thumbnails is now as easy as that. You can further edit the text, you can move it on the thumbnail and do other changes like fonts, color, position, etc. So in the same platform, you are getting everything for creating marketing materials, starting from images to videos to thumbnails, and all of this professional work will cost you just less than $1. Vmake Agent is also available in your phone. You can search it on the Apple App Store and also in the Google Play Store.
Nature's Home Services, expert cleaning, plumbing, Andes ad, and eco-friendly maintenance for a cleaner, greener home.
I also want to quickly talk about the explode mode, where you can break your video into editable pieces. For example, this is the thumbnail. There you have the script and also the audio. If you want, you can edit the script on the go. You can add and edit captions right away. To conclude, honestly, this tool surprised me with how well it handles repetitive, time-consuming work, whether you want to promote your side hustle or if you are a business owner, small or big, Vmake Agent can change the game for you. Vmake Agent can turn anything into UGC videos, spend less, create more, and sell smarter. Check the description for the direct link to Vmake Agent. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment and share your experience with Vmake.